Welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. Do a little bit of everything here from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, home decor, pets, snacks, everything in between. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And y'all, please don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And as always, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I am excited because today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the DIY NAILShack. Now, the owner reached out to me, asked if she could send this to me for review. I said yes, because I haven't seen the inside of a nail salon in months and I don't know when I will. So I was like, sure, because I love having my nails done. I generally have the gel manicure, but can't get that right now. So I also don't like painting my nails because I'm so impatient, and I will paint them and then have to sit there and wait for them to dry. But also, I am right-handed, so my left hand may look pretty decent, but my right hand looks like a 2-year-old did it. So let me tell you about the subscription and we'll get into everything from there. So I'll put a link down below, and you can use the promo code Southern Mom to get 20% off if you would like to sign up. Now, this is a monthly subscription box, obviously, filled with at least 4 full sets of high quality, easy to apply nail polish strips. So you get one for each week of the month, which is really awesome. You do also get a little mini nail file and a gentle cuticle pusher to make sure you get everything down in there. And this is $12.95 a month. And you can go ahead and you can lower the price to as low as $9.95 a month if you go ahead and prepay. They do also have a girls, like a little girls option, so the strips will be a little bit smaller. And they have a toe polish coming soon, which I think is really interesting. So it says, enjoy salon quality nails at home. New designs each month, free shipping, which is always a plus. No drying time. Easy application, no streaks, and it's custom curated. So I will, like I said, put that link down below along with that promo code Southern Mom to save you 20%. $12.95 is not bad, but like I said, if you go ahead and prepay, you can get it as low as $9.95. Now, I did something a little different. What I did, this came in. Normally, I open everything with you guys and we look at it for the first time together. This didn't happen because I wanted to actually go ahead and put them on, put a set on, wear them for a few days, see how they did, and that way I could not just unbox and show you the products and how it comes in here and what you could expect to receive every month, but also let you know how they perform. So I went ahead and about 3 days ago did my nails, and you guys, it was so easy. It was so much easier than I thought it was. I'll be honest, I was a little bit intimidated at first. I'm like, oh, I hope I don't mess this up. And I didn't. It was so easy. And literally probably 10 to 15 minutes total. And I was done. It was dry. I didn't have to wait for it to dry. Both hands look the same. So you can see here, this is like the fun, just fun set that I did. So I'll show you the other 3 that I got. So what I thought was really nice was, like I said, she does send a little mini cuticle pusher and a little emery board, which you can see I used, with your sets. And then here is the little cuticle pusher. And what I liked about this is this has some give to it, so it doesn't hurt. So when you're pushing down to make sure you get down into your cuticles and it's, on your nail, it doesn't hurt. So that was one thing. There's a card here I didn't actually open. I wanted to do that on camera. Oh, it's gorgeous. Hi Nikki, thank you so much for trying out our NAILShack pack. I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much, Deanna. Aw, that was sweet. Thank you, Deanna, for contacting me. I'm so glad you did. I'm loving it. Like I said, this is actually day 4, I believe. I've had them, it's day 3 or day 4, but they look the same as they did the day that I put them on. So they come in these little packs like this. So here is like a navy blue glittery pack. Here's a really like bedazzled, pretty, fun design. And y'all, we are ready for 4th of July. Look at that. Are those not just gorgeous? Like, so pretty. But you do get the directions literally step by step, which is the first step. Where did it say it? Up here. How to apply your NAILShack nail polish strips. Here at the top, it talks about it's recommended to take like rubbing alcohol or even fingernail polish remover to get rid of any oils or anything that may be on your nails. And I did do that. I took some rubbing alcohol, wiped my nails, and then you just remove the clear cover. You peel off the polish strip, you hold it at the silver tab, and you just place it. And you basically, before you pull it off of here, you kind of line it up and say, okay, well, this one for this finger, you know, that kind of thing. And then you just place it, and that's when your little cuticle pusher comes in, and you just push it in. Okay, and then it's gonna kind of hang off, and you take this little emery board that she sends, and you just file downward. That is actually in the instructions, to file downward, and it comes right off, and then you are done. And then she did have a note here that regular clear nail polish on top would make them last longer. I did do that because I do have one of those like quick drying nail polish, clear nail polishes. And they come off with just regular nail polish remover, which I think is fantastic. And I just think it's fun. I mean, it's just a fun way to not feel so bad about not being able to go to the nail salon. And it's so different because I can tell you right now, this right here is not something that I probably normally would have done. But now that it's on my nails, I'm like, this is really cute. This is really fun. And these 4th of July ones, I'm like, what? Those are adorable. So, I think this is really, really great. I think that the value is definitely there. I mean, you get literally one for each week of the month. You get the tools you need to do it. And it is so easy. So, so easy. I can't emphasize that enough. And they hold up really well. I mean, I've washed dishes. I have showered and washed my hair. And I mean, they're holding up. No chips, no nothing. So I definitely recommend it. I think that it is, again, a fantastic value and a great way that you can change up your look and have fun nails in a time where we're not really able to go to the nail salon. So this still gives us the option to have those fun designs and everything without breaking the bank, because even if you pay monthly, month to month, $12.95, that is a fantastic price because you also get free shipping. And then, like I said, I do have a promo code to save you 20% off your first month. So I highly recommend checking it out. And one thing too, you do let her know what type of colors you like, you know, what type of things you prefer, and she will try to send you what you like, what your preferences are. So I love that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below. I will insert a picture here to let you see what it actually looks like when it actually comes out of the package. I did take a picture because it was all nicely folded up in tissue paper, and I thought that presentation was really nice, and I wanted to make sure you guys did see that as well. So that'll be inserted here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.